Hello and welcome back to the Kelly's Family Kitchen. Today we're going to make a coconut bread. We're going to start off with 1 1/4 cup of warm milk. Put it in a mixer. And we're going to have 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast. And a pinch of sugar. And we're going to let that sit there for about 10 minutes and let it foam up, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're going to start off with 2 eggs, just well beaten. Put it in our mixture. 1/3 cup of olive oil. You could use any other kind of oil you like, but I like to use olive oil. And 1/4 cup of sugar. And 1 teaspoon of salt. And then we're going to mix this up real quick on low speed. Okay, with 3 cups of bread flour, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and now we're going to mix that on low speed. Okay, our dough is done, so now we're going to take it out of the bowl. We're going to put it out here, we're going to knead it. And just keep holding it. It's going to take about 10 minutes of working this dough out. Alright, so now we got done kneading it. We're going to spray the bottom of this with oil. And we're going to take our dough, drop it in, pick it up, and flip it over. Now we're going to cover it with a cling wrap and let it rise for about an hour.
Hannah, you want to say hi?
Hi.
Okay. Oh, say hi.
Hello.
Oh.
Okay, so now we're going to make our filling with start off with 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of coconut milk, and 1 1/2 cup coconuts, shredded, and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 cup of cold water. And we'll stir this down until it cooks down. Okay, now that we got our coconut softened up and it's ready down. It's done. Now we're going to punch our dough down. We're going to take it out and put it up on the countertop. Okay, so we're going to make this a log like that, and we're going to take this pastry cutter and we're going to cut it in half. Like that right there. We're going to cut it in some more halves. Like that. Okay, so we got them all broken up in pieces. We're going to flatten it down like this right here. And we're going to get us a spoon. And we're going to add some filling in it. And we just stretch it over like this right here. And fold it up just like that. And we just come over here and pinch the top. Just like that. And we're going to turn it over and place it in the pan.
And there is it. Now we cover it for 30 minutes.
Alright, now that we're back, we're going to poke holes in the top. Just like that right there. Okay, so now we got the holes popped into the top.
Mama, say what?
We're gonna take this egg wash right here and we're gonna do the tops of them. Okay, so now we're putting them in a preheated oven for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. There they are. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe for me. And until next time, for some more goodies. Very delicious.